guys, good afternoon. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me again today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch. I want to do a craft paper art today. I got these craft paper from Hobby Lobby and they are 4 for $1. And then I hauled this canvas, which I shared with you guys on our Tuesday morning haul. Now, I'm not into taxi cabs or the whole pink thing, but they had them clearanced out for 65 cents. So I couldn't resist. I went ahead and hauled 4 of them and they were 65 cents. Great buy. This is at the Bell's Outlet, not the regular Bell's, the Bell's Outlet. And so I want to go ahead and begin to create a fall decor for my family room. So this is a craft paper art decor that I'm going to do. What you will need is a canvas of your choice. Now, Hobby Lobby have the canvas, I want to say they were $9.99 for about 4 of them, 4 or 5 of them in a set. I purchased it before. They're not as thick as this one, but they do have it there if you decide you want to recreate this project. I'm thinking you could possibly do it on cardboard as well, but since I have the canvas, it's 65 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and use the canvas. So you will also need a Dollar Tree sign, and this sign is the Farm Fresh, and I really love the pumpkin that's on it. I think it's the black background, just vibrant. So we're gonna go ahead with that. And as I mentioned, the paper. So you will need the canvas, the paper, the Dollar Tree wall art. You will need your scissors, your glue gun, and glue sticks. You will also need spray paint because I want to go ahead and spray paint the canvas as well. You will need to have Mod Podge glue or the tacky glue. I'm going to use tacky glue today. You'll need your paintbrush, and I like to have a plate with a little bit of water and my paintbrush. It just makes life easier. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this out, spray paint, and I'll be back. We can begin the process. This is how it turned out. I went ahead and spray painted the board, the canvas, black, and I have 2 of them that I'm working on. So I want to have 2 of everything. Now the next thing I want to do, that's pretty much dry, but I'm going to leave that to the side. The next thing I want to do is to remove this little rope that you use to hang. And there is a leaf. It's a little metal leaf. Just move it back. Now, I didn't share this with you, but Walmart sells this big roll, which I think is fantastic, for, I want to say it was $4. And I love working with this rope. I do like the Dollar Tree rope as well. It's a little bit thicker, but this gives me so much more for my money. So what I want to do now is go ahead and take my glue. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I love the look of this pumpkin. I'm going to move that to the side for now and stir my glue and water mixture. I want it really nice and thick because I'm going to add the craft paper, and it's not thin, it's a pretty thick paper. So I'm going to keep stirring this up, get a nice thick mix. Once everything is dry, you're going to take your pumpkin and you're going to add a generous amount of glue all the way around. And I mean generous amounts because you want it to stick. Okay guys, so this is how the craft paper turned out. I love the wood texture on the background of the canvas. Really look as if it's one piece. If you like the way it turned out, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends this video. I truly, truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support.